How to avoid lap band surgery failure. If you've been looking at various methods designed to help you lose weight and maintain a healthy lifestyle, you've probably come across many different options, from pills to fat diets to cleanses and finally to surgeries. One in particular is quite popular, called lap band surgery. However, as with any method, it is not 100% guaranteed. In some cases, lap band surgery failure can happen. However, in order to understand this, you need to consider what could cause it to fail, as well as what would you can do to avoid failure. One main thing to consider is that the procedure itself is quite quick and not at all complex, so the chances of a lap band surgery failure due to improper placement of the lap band is very small. That said, as with any diet, exercise program, or anything designed to aid in weight loss, there are a few things you need to do to help things along. Your doctor should explain that though this treatment is effective, it is not a panacea, meaning you can't just have the procedure done and then proceed to eat Big Macs for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You will need to adjust your eating and exercise habits to get the most out of the procedure. That said, you can probably see where this is headed. The lap band in and of itself will not be the sole thing that causes you to lose weight, and should you disregard your doctor's advice on diet and lifestyle, you may very well have a lap band surgery failure. In this case, failure would mean not hitting your weight loss goals. Although if you're off by a pound or two, you'd consider the treatment a success. Hopefully, you're beginning to see that the success or failure here is dependent on you and how you choose to approach things after you've had the surgery. There are several specific things you can do to avoid lap band surgery failure. First off, you will need to adjust your eating habits, especially if you have a sedentary office job where you're on the computer all day. You'll want to cut down significantly on those foods that are processed, high in fat, high in starch, and high in carbohydrates. These foods are the ones that are the easiest to gain weight from and will do you no favors. Something else you'll want to do to mitigate lap band surgery failure is to increase the amount of fresh fruits and vegetables. And by fresh, it is meant that you go to your local farmer's market, not the supermarket.
Finally, a key thing you'll want to remember when thinking about the possibility of lap band surgery failure is that you'll need to avoid sugary foods like candy, as well as carbonated drinks, beer included, as they are of no nutritional value and actually destroy things your body needs, such as vitamins. Lap band surgery failure is not something that is inevitable, and in fact is something that is absolutely avoidable, because the things that cause it are directly under your control. If you make healthy choices, you will find that you will hit your goals that much faster. Brought to you by www.lapbanddoctors.com.